Now, big controversy over Mamata Banerjee's monks help BJP remark, where she has said monks are helping the BJP. Now, protests that have broken out with monks protesting against Mamata Banerjee. This is after Mamata Banerjee had made the controversial statement, after which now protests have broken out. The allegation that she had made is that monks are helping out the BJP, after which the BJP had also hit out at Mamata Banerjee. Now, protests also taking place with several monks taking to the streets, protesting against the words that were used by Mamata Banerjee, linking political motives to what they do. My colleague Adrija is joining us over the phone line with the details of what's happening on the ground. Adrija, protests that have broken out over the statement that was made by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. What's happening there?
देखिए जल जावे सावधान।
So Mamata Banerjee, we'll just go back to our reporters who are joining us from the spot. Remember, Mamata Banerjee had said that certain monks of influential monastic orders in West Bengal were working on the instructions of the BJP in the elections. That was the allegation that had been made by Mamata Banerjee. The Prime Minister had also criticized the remarks, accusing the TMC of threatening monks. Similar statements also being made by the BJP leaders now. Protests that have broken out. My colleague Pooja joining us on the broadcast. Pooja, the monks are protesting against the statements being made by the West Bengal Chief Minister. What's happening on the ground?
Well, we are at that massive rally where the sadhus and the saints have joined. I'll straight away cut across to the visuals here. You can see it is unprecedented, and it is perhaps never seen when so many saints and priests have taken to the streets of Kolkata. And all this is in protest of the Chief Minister's statements. Remember, she had named 3 organizations, Bharat Sevashram, ISKCON and Ramakrishna Mission. However, the following day, she retracted from the statement and said that she has nothing against these organizations, but she has an issue with Kartik Maharaj. We also spoke to Kartik Maharaj here today, and he had said that if Mamata Banerjee is so powerful and if she has the police under her and if I have made any political statements, then why doesn't she arrest me? So this is a reaction coming from Kartik Maharaj, who has been in the eye of the storm, and ever since Mamata Banerjee in her election speeches has attacked Kartik Maharaj of inciting communal violence in Murshidabad 2 days before the polls, and also she had blamed him for preventing the Trinamool Congress agents from sitting in polling stations. And against these statements, the saints and all these priests have taken to the streets of Kolkata, where they are registering the protests against the statements of the Chief Minister. And right now, the rally has begun from the Nivedita Park and is advancing towards the conclusion area. But what we can see is that Kartik Maharaj has also come and attended and participated in this rally. Remember, there is no banner under which these saints are participating and staging a protest. They have said that they are not going to use any of the names of the organization, and they have come here in personal capacity. But I'll show you the poster here, which says in Bangla, Birat Shanto Shabiman Jatra, which means this is a massive rally for the saints and to protect their respect. They have all come across to this part of the city to register their protests and stage a protest against the West Bengal Chief Minister's statement. And we're seeing how huge number of these saints have assembled and are participating in this protest.
Okay, all right. Adrija is also joining us. In fact, despite the outrage and despite the massive protests that we're seeing on the ground, Adrija, Mamata Banerjee has defended her statement. She has been saying that she has criticized only certain individuals and not the institution, so no apology coming forth.
Well, absolutely, you see no apologies coming forth, and in fact she has also defended the statement that she had made earlier. But but today the turnout is huge, the rally is huge, and monks in the huge numbers from across the state of West Bengal have come together, and Kartik Maharaj himself is present in this rally. I will just tell my camera person to show you the visuals here can see the huge turnout that has come here, huge number of people walking in this particular rally, protesting, coming together and protesting against the fact that Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, she has come out and she has made certain statements targeting particular monks. She has taken the names of the monks, she has taken the names of, Hindu organizations like ISKCON, Bharat Sevashram and Ramakrishna Mission, which are held to be very holy organizations in the state of West Bengal. So of course, huge turnout, huge commotion also going on at the same time. But at the same time, we are seeing that rituals are going on where first they're cleansing the roads as they are walking ahead, and Kartik Maharaj himself is also present in this entire rally.
Can you speak to some of the protesters there, the monks who have taken to the streets? Because the accusation against them is that they are helping a party. The monks have denied the allegations completely against them, and this is the reason why they have taken to the streets to give out a message to the Mamata Banerjee government that the allegation against them, the accusation that has been made against them, is absolutely false.
Well, absolutely. You see, we'll try and talk to some of the monks here. भैया, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे कि अभी जो ममता बनर्जी ने ऐसे एलिगेशन लगाया है कार्तिक महाराज के ऊपर, उसमें क्या
हमारा माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कार्तिक महाराज के सनातन धर्म का जो अपमान किया है, इसके लिए मैं उसको धिक्कार जताना चाहता हूँ कि क्या उसका जो बात बोला है पूरा सनातन धर्म के ऊपर उन्होंने आक्रमण किया है। सिर्फ नॉट ओनली ऑन बंगाल, पूरा जो सनातन धर्म भारत के विश्व में है सबको अपमान किया है। ये इसको करना नहीं चाहिए था, क्योंकि वो सबका मुख्यमंत्री है। वो तो हिंदू का, मुसलमान का, क्रिश्चियन का, सबका मुख्यमंत्री है। फिर भी क्यों सिर्फ हिंदू धर्म के लिए वो क्यों ऐसा बात क्यों बोलते हैं?
All right, so accusing the TMC government of threatening monks for vote bank politics, massive protests there. We'll come back to you, Adrija, for those details. Now, the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has spoken 2 times now, slamming the opposition for politicizing the issue. He has backed the police force completely. Listen in.
याचं राजकीयकरण करण्याचा प्रयत्न त्यांचा चाललेला आहे। या संदर्भात जी काही कारवाई पोलिसांनी केली पाहिजे ती सगळी पोलिसांनी उघडपणे केलेली आहे। आणि एवढंच नाही तर ज्युव्हेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्डने जो चुकीचा निर्णय दिला होता त्याच्या विरोधात वरच्या कोर्टात जाऊन पुन्हा ज्युव्हेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्डाकडे ती केस रिमांड करून घेऊन तो निर्णय देखील बदललेला आहे।